Hello and welcome to the unboxing video for the OMiLAB community platform. We are excited to introduce the brand new OMiLAB community platform, which allows you to explore each node in the network and discover its activities, focus and expertise. You can find publications, tools, learning materials, experiments and more provided by the community participants. Here's a quick overview of how to navigate the platform. To join the community platform, you can join directly on the platform under Login to join the community. You have two options: sign up with one of your social media accounts, such as LinkedIn, or go to Register and create an account, namely the OMiLAB single sign-on, which you can use on other OMiLAB platforms as well. Great! You've joined the community. Now you can customize your profile. To add a profile picture, go to My Profile, choose to edit the profile and select a picture. If you log in through social media, your profile picture from the social media platform will automatically be added. To add a short description about yourself, go to the Edit Profile section, Short Bio. As you can see, you can enhance your profile with social network links, badges and more. Once you have joined the community of practice, you can also become a part of the individual OMiLAB nodes. Just go to their page and select to join the community. To get started using the platform, we invite you to browse the nodes featured on the Community of Practice page. Here you can also find the combined materials from all of the nodes under Digital Innovation Environment, which includes publications, experiments, tools and learning materials. To search materials from a specific OMiLAB, you can filter the materials by node. Also check out the community events to see what the community is currently up to. To search for events that are interesting to you, you can filter the search results, for instance by date and location. Click on an event to get more information on the topics covered. You can also browse past events, which may include event impressions or recordings. Take a look at research projects in which the community is involved. You can find them under Projects. Browse through them and access materials and resources developed. You can also see the OMiLAB nodes affiliated with the project. To check out a specific OMiLAB, click on it in the Nodes overview. Find out more about the node by visually exploring its activities with an interactive graph, or go to Home and choose About this node to get more information. The node page largely follows the same intuitive layout as the Community of Practice page, grouping all the materials, projects and events created by the node. So they should be easy to navigate. Thanks for watching and for joining the community. We are excited for your contribution.